Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing like odds and ends around the garden. So I'm gonna put in this Boxwood Hedge, and then I have two Redtip Photonias that I need to put in the ground, and then I also have two wine and roses Weigela that need to go in, and then I also have a, what's it called, something red, but it's a smaller bush that I need to get put in the ground. And then I have a bunch of perennials that need to go in. So I'll be doing a little bit of everything today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I hope you enjoy. So it's starting to rain out here, and my husband dug 2 holes for me for the Redtip Photonias. So this one's going over here, and then the other one is going down here, and he dug both of the holes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and it is trying to rain on me, so I'm gonna do it as quickly as possible. everyone. So it's starting to rain out here. I managed to get a couple things in, but I'm gonna call it quits today. Right here is the Redtip Photonia. We managed to get both of these in the ground. There's one there, the other one's down here at the end. And I was using a shrub and tree fertilizer, and also I used my leaf mulch mix that I have over here, but this stuff is so like I'm running out of it, so I need to make some more. But that's what we did on this side, and I added the mulch mixture on inside just to help with the soil, and then also on the top because I'm gonna mulch everything with this mulch mixture. I'm not buying any mulch from the stores this year. Okay, so we were able to get the Boxwoods in. They are super cute and tiny. We actually found a drain that goes along this back side, so we had to move them up a little bit. We were trying to get them centered in the middle, but it didn't quite work out that way. But I ended up planting between them these little plants here. They're really cute. I got them from Lowe's for less than $2. I have to check the receipt. I think they might have been $1, but they are called Kahori Dianthus, and it's a perennial, mounding perennial, and it blooms spring, summer, and fall. So I had 4 of these, and I planted them in between of the boxwoods, and I still have to clean up this bed. It's just a wreck, and it's wet, and it's hard to work with dirt when it's soaking wet. But here's the hedge, and then this little burning bush, I'm thinking I might stick him here. I kind of want something small to cover up that drain pipe, so we'll see. But this is how it looks. Super cute, and I kind of want a different view, so I'm gonna back up this hill. And I have yet to add my mulch, my leaf mulch mixture to it. I'll do that if it's dry tomorrow. I will do that. But it's super dark out here today, so the lighting isn't great. I'll post a picture on Instagram, and you can follow me at the Thrifted Planter on Instagram, and then you'll be able to see like a brighter, better picture of this. But anyways, let's move along, and I'll show you the bushes that I put in up here. Now these 2 that I'm about to show you are the Wine and Roses Weigela. So here's one, and I think these are going to be so gorgeous. They bloom pink blooms, and then they have this dark, some of the foliage is dark and then some is light. I'm guessing the lighter leaves are the younger ones, and then the older, they darken as they age. So there is that one, and here is the other, and he's a lot smaller, same size pot but a lot smaller, but they'll flush out and do really well for spring. I'm not worried. I've got a lot of clearance plants here that I need to put in. I got some more new ones today because they are still having their 75% off, so I cleaned up. So I have this space to fill. I'm gonna put shade parts, mostly shade but part sun, because this gets some sun throughout the day in different areas of it, but not all at the same time. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!